Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no be only Biafra where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu fight for. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stood up not only for Biafra, but all the Nigerians. Most of you may misunderstand me. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no be only Biafra when Nnamdi Kanu come fight for. No, now all the Nigerians. Now, anytime the Boko Haram or Fulanis do attack in North, any time they do attack in Hausa land, or any time where they do attack in church in North, Nnamdi Kanu will start condemning it. Calling the world, calling the United Nations, calling the European Union, telling them, are they not seeing what is going on in Nigeria? Why they keep quiet? Anytime Boko Haram or Fulani do attack in Yoruba land, Nnamdi Kanu will be started condemning it. Calling the United Nations, calling the European Union, telling them, have you people see what is happening in Nigeria? You people keep quiet. So if Nnamdi Kanu is only for Igbos or Biafra, all these attacks what they do for North, for churches, you know go fit talk them. You go just keep quiet. So Nnamdi Kanu is not for all Igbos. He's for Nigerians. It's all Nigerians. God used this man. Listen to me. Most of you may misunderstand me. God used this man. Nnamdi Kanu is one of the instruments that God used to fight against Islamization of Nigeria. During the former president of Nigeria who want to Islamize this nation, let the man die. God know how he destroyed that man. But right now, God is using another strategies to destroy the plans of the evil for them to Islamize this nation. So Nnamdi Kanu is one of the main instruments. Nnamdi Kanu is one of the main instruments God used and God are even using now to fight against Islamization of Nigeria. All the Christians in Nigeria, we should pray for this man. This man stood up, condemning the evil, the people that are sponsoring Boko Haram, condemning it. God can use anybody want to use to fight. So all the Christians in Nigeria, we all need to pray for Nnamdi Kanu. All the Christians in Nigeria, we all need to pray for that man. God used that man mightily, but many people don't know what is going on. Nnamdi Kanu is only against Boko Haram and all the evil systems, all the evil politicians in Nigeria that are sponsoring Boko Haram. That is what Nnamdi Kanu is against. So if you are in Nigeria, whether you be Hausa, whether you be Yoruba, whether you be Igbo, any tribe where they for Nigeria, you hate what Boko Haram and Fulanis are doing in Nigeria. If you hate what they are doing, you must love Nnamdi Kanu. But if you love what Boko Haram and the Fulanis are doing in Nigeria, you can hate Nnamdi Kanu. Because Nnamdi Kanu stood up against the evil systems in Nigeria. He stood up for all he stood up condemning their plan to Islamize this nation. He stood up anytime they attack church, Boko Haram bomb church or do any attack, both east, west, south and north, Nnamdi Kanu will condemning it. Sending message to United Nations, sending message to European Union, sending message to even Pope, condemning the evil they are doing in Nigeria. Look at evil everywhere. And we know the people, and we know the people that are doing this thing. But the problem is say who go talk. And somebody stood up. And a lot of Nigerians are condemning him.